You work hard, you show up early. You stay late, you hustle, but your bank account doesn't show it. Sound familiar? The truth is, hard work alone isn't enough to build wealth in today's world, and if you're stuck financially, it's probably not because you're lazy. It's because no one taught you the rules of money. Today, I'll break down 5 surprising reasons you're still broke, even if you're doing everything right. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, you trade time for money. Most people are stuck in the time for money trap. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. No work, no pay. The problem? There are only 24 hours in a day, so no matter how hard you grind, your income has a ceiling. Wealthy people think differently. They build systems that work for them: investments, online businesses, digital products, real estate, things that earn money while they sleep. How to escape? Start by building a second income stream, even something small, a digital product. Affiliate marketing. A dividend-paying ETF, the goal. Make money without trading time. Reason number 2, you don't pay yourself first. Here's a classic trap: you get paid, cover your bills, buy some stuff, eat out, and then maybe save whatever's left. Spoiler: there's never anything left. Wealthy people flip that script. They pay themselves first. The moment they get paid, a portion goes directly to savings or investments, before spending a single dollar. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Even 10% of your income, invested consistently, can change your life. Reason number 3, you don't understand money. Let's be honest, most schools don't teach us how money works, and so, we grow up financially blind. We don't learn about compound interest, credit scores, taxes, assets versus liabilities, inflation, and why saving alone won't cut it. But here's the truth: the people who understand money control it. The people who don't are controlled by it. The good news: you don't need to become a finance expert. Just commit to learning 15 minutes a day. That one habit can make you rich. Reason number 4, you're addicted to debt. Credit cards. Buy now, pay later. 0% for 12 months. Debt is easy, and that's exactly why it's dangerous. When you rely on debt to live above your means, you're not just borrowing money, you're borrowing from your future. Minimum payments, they're traps. That $500 couch ends up costing $900 after interest. Worse, your money goes to paying interest. Not building wealth. Break the habit, cut the card. Pay more than the minimum. If you can't afford it twice, don't buy it once. Reason number 5, you have a scarcity mindset. Maybe you grew up hearing things like, "We can't afford that. Money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy." And now, even as an adult, you fear success, you self-sabotage, you think small. That's not your fault, it's programming. But here's what wealthy people know: money is abundant, opportunities are abundant, and the more you grow, the more you can give. Start shifting your mindset from survival to abundance, from I can't to how can I. Everything starts with belief. Let's recap: you're still broke, not because you're not working hard, but because you're trading time for money. You're not paying yourself first, you've never been taught the rules, debt is draining your future, and you're stuck in a scarcity mindset. But here's the best part: every single one of these can be changed. You don't need to be perfect, just take one step today, and another tomorrow. And if this video opened your eyes, do 3 things. White heavy checkmark, like this video. White heavy checkmark, subscribe to CashFlow Vibes. White heavy checkmark, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Your financial freedom is closer than you think. This is CashFlow Vibes, and we're just getting started.